There's a nice new feature in Google Slides. Now, when you head to Insert tab at the top and select Image, you can not only upload a new image from your computer or search the web, there's also a new feature, GIFs and stickers. So if you click on that, you will get this new panel on the right when you can search for animated GIFs or GIFs just by typing what you need. You can also click on the popular keywords here, and then by clicking on the image, you can select them. You can select more than one and click Insert. And here it is. We very quickly put some animated GIFs into our presentation in Google Slides using this new Insert feature. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next quick tutorial.